Imagine this, your morning commute is just a few steps to the corner of your living room, your office view, whatever you choose it to be, and your income ceiling, well, you decide where it is. Forget the rigid schedules, the soul-draining commute, the boss looking over your shoulder. What if your home wasn't just where you live, but where you build? In today's world, making a real income from home has moved from a distant dream to a daily reality for millions. This isn't just about side hustle pocket money, it's about building genuine financial freedom on your own terms. And in this video, I'm walking you through the real, proven and scalable ways to do it, whether you're starting with zero experience, a few spare hours, or a burning desire for a complete change. Let's begin. This is about more than just convenience. It's about reclaiming your time, your energy, and your potential. Student, parent, career changer, dreamer, the digital landscape has created a place for you, but let's be honest, the online world is full of noise. Shiny scams, risky schemes, and too good to be true promises. It's easy to get lost. So we're cutting through that noise. We're focusing on tangible paths, real methods with real people behind them earning real income. This is your map, step by logical step. 1. Freelancing. Your skills, your currency. Think of freelancing as the on-ramp to the online economy. It's direct, it's powerful, and it's based on one simple idea. You have a skill and someone somewhere needs it. Writing, design, coding, editing, organizing, speaking. If you can do it, you can sell it. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are the global marketplaces connecting your talent to clients who need it. Here, how it flows. You create a profile, your digital storefront. You offer a service, let's say, I will design a minimalist logo. A client hires you, you deliver exceptional work, you get paid and you get a review. That review attracts the next client, and the cycle builds. Start by completing small projects, deliver more value than expected, gather those 5-star reviews. Then, gradually, you raise your prices. What begins as a few extra dollars can systematically grow into a full-time, thriving practice. It's the art of turning what you know into what you earn. 2. Teaching and tutoring. Share your knowledge. If you've ever explained something and seen that click of understanding in someone's eyes, you have a teachable skill. And that skill is in massive demand online. You can tutor a student in math over Zoom, teach English to a learner across the world on Preply or Cambly, or guide someone through a software program. But the scale comes when you package your knowledge. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable allow you to create a single course, a series of videos, guides, resources, and sell it to thousands. You do the work once, but it pays you repeatedly. You're not just trading hours for dollars, you're building an asset that works while you sleep. 3. YouTube, building your own channel. Yes, you're watching one right now. YouTube isn't just entertainment, it's one of the most powerful long-term wealth-building platforms ever created. It's a digital real estate you own. Your niche can be anything, from explaining complex science with simple drawings, to reviewing tech gadgets, to sharing daily motivation. The key is value, solving a problem, answering a question, or providing inspiration. The income comes in layers, first from ads, then from sponsorships, then from affiliate marketing and your own products. Don't be intimidated by production. Start with your phone, a clear idea, and a commitment to consistency. The algorithm rewards patience and value. Build a library, build a community, and you build a legacy that pays you back. 4. Affiliate marketing. The art of recommendation. Have you ever told a friend, you have to try this product? That's the core of affiliate marketing. You become a trusted recommender. You find a product you genuinely believe in, a great book, a useful tool, a piece of software. You sign up for its affiliate program on networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. They give you a special tracking link. You then share that link in your YouTube description, your blog post, your Instagram story. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You didn't create the product. You didn't ship it. You connected a need with a solution. It's a powerful form of passive, relationship-driven income. 5. Dropshipping and print on demand. Commerce without inventory. These two models liberate you from the classic hurdles of physical business: inventory, storage, and shipping. Dropshipping. You set up an online store on Shopify, for example. You find trending products, say, a clever kitchen tool. When a customer orders from you, you send the order to a supplier who ships it directly to them. Your profit is the difference between their price and yours. Your focus is marketing and customer experience. Print on demand. This is for the creatives. You design a clever t-shirt slogan, a beautiful art print, or a cozy mug. You partner with a service like Printful or Redbubble. When someone buys your design, the company prints it on the chosen product and ships it. You never touch inventory. Your canvas is the entire world of merchandise. 6. Blogging and digital products. The creator's empire. This is the domain of deep expertise and creativity. Blogging is foundational. You write about travel, personal finance, sustainable living, any passion. You build an audience through your words. Then you monetize through the same ads and affiliates we discussed, or through sponsored posts. A blog is a slow burn that becomes a lasting fire, generating income for years. Digital products are the ultimate scalable asset. You create an ebook, a set of Photoshop presets, a budget planner PDF, or an online course. You sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. Once it's created, it can be downloaded an infinite number of times. It's pure creation meets pure leverage. 7. Remote jobs and social media. The direct paths. Maybe building your own business from zero feels like a leap. That's okay. Remote jobs offer structure. Companies worldwide hire for customer support, virtual assistants, writing, coding, all from home. Sites like We Work Remotely, FlexJobs, and LinkedIn are goldmines. You get stability while enjoying location freedom. Social media monetization turns your scroll into your strategy. Build a dedicated following on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook around a niche. Then earn through brand deals, affiliate links, or selling your expertise. You're not just posting, you're building a community and a personal brand that has direct economic value. 8. Online reselling and investing. The modern trader. Reselling is the digital thrift flip. You find undervalued items at garage sales or online auctions and resell them for a profit on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Mercari. It's a keen eye turned into income. Investing is the classic wealth builder, now accessible from your laptop. Through platforms, you can invest in stocks, ETFs, or even fractional real estate. This is crucial. This is a long-term game, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Never risk money you can't afford to lose. Educate yourself thoroughly. Done wisely, it's the engine of true passive income. Finding your path and avoiding pitfalls. Now, with all these options, how do you choose? Ask yourself, what makes me feel energized? Creating, teaching, analyzing. What are my current skills? What's my timeline? Do I need income now, or am I building for later? The biggest mistake is trying to do everything at once. The second biggest is giving up after 2 weeks because you didn't see $1 million. Real online success is a marathon of small, consistent steps. Avoid the shiny object syndrome. Don't chase quick scams. Commit to learning, to improving, and most importantly, to showing up even when motivation fades. Your first step, a 7-day launch plan. Let's not leave this as theory. Here is your action plan for the next week. Day 1 to exploration. Revisit this list. Choose one method that resonates with you the most. Day 3 for education. Spend 2 hours consuming free content about that one method. Take notes. Day 5 setup. Create one foundational piece, a freelancer profile, a YouTube channel name, an Instagram account for your niche. Day 6-7 first action. Send your first freelancing proposal. Film your first short video. Write your first blog post outline. Momentum is everything. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is to start. This journey isn't just about making money. It's about making a choice to redefine what's possible for your life, to trade traded hours for built assets, to find work that doesn't feel like work because it's an expression of you. You don't need permission. You don't need a lucky break. You have the device in your hand, the connection, and the potential. Millions have walked this path before you, leaving a trail you can follow. Your path starts the moment you decide to take that first, deliberate step. So, what will you build?